Hey guys, it's Sarah, Sales and Education with Milk Makeup. It's Kush Mascara in Boom. This is high volume. Unique heart-shaped fibers give this thickening mascara ultimate length, lift, and curl. Smoke them up. Cannabis oil naturally conditions and nourishes lashes in one hit. And because of the CBD-rich cannabis oil, the heart-shaped fibers fuse to lashes for volume without fallout. And it's vegan and gluten-free. The brush, it ignites a pure pigment, intense black clump-free formula. We wanted to make the ultimate volumizing mascara. Good ingredients with epic payoff. You apply it to your lashes. You use the brush and wiggle lash line to tip for full volume. You use the brush head to define inner and bottom lashes. Then pile on layers for intense volume that stays clump-free. All day, every day. If you're into big lashes, this one's for you. I pile on more layers midday for an instant pick-me-up with no clumping. All right, guys, from now on, it's Kush all day, every day. See you later.